Vincent Regani here. How you all doing tonight? Okay, so as you know, I'm a professional house cleaner by trade, and here I am with Flat Screen Clean. So today I'm doing a live demo. It's a little bit after 11 o'clock on the East Coast. Yeah. And it's May 15th. Okay, so now you know it's a live video. Okay, so here I am with Flat Screen Clean. And I'm going to do my extreme demonstration for you tonight. I already mucked up the screen. I have stuff on it. But I'm going to get into who we are and what we do. So, as you know, I'm a professional house cleaner by trade. I came up with Flat Screen Clean because I screwed up my customer's TV one day. Streaks all over with the name brand cleaner. So I came up with the solution, Flat Screen Clean. I personally tested Flat Screen Clean on over 20,000 units to date. I call that real time, real dirt, real results. So Flat Screen Clean is your one-stop shop, all-in-one flat and touchscreen cleaning product for all your flat and touchscreen devices. It's alcohol and ammonia free, and it's made from all natural ingredients. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3, and we provide you all the tools needed to ensure your satisfaction. It'll clean to the extreme, from chicken wings to hand cream and everything in between. It even removes permanent marker. And I'm here tonight to show you our extreme demonstration. So what I did was I mucked up the screen with all this stuff right here. So I'll go down the list on what it is. I put Nutella, peanut butter, chocolate syrup, ketchup, mustard, barbecue sauce, Italian dressing, butter. We'll put some more butter on there. Kids paint, a little bit of brown, a little bit of purple, a little bit of orange, white. Then I put some lip gloss on, and then I put some lipstick on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut the TV off so that you can actually see what's on the screen. There we go. So you can see it's all here. Kids paint, white, purple, lipstick, butter. But I said it also removes permanent marker. So I'm going to put a Sharpie on the screen. This is a Sharpie. So I'm going to put a line we'll put a line right here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that dry a little bit. So it's been on this screen for about maybe 10 minutes so far. So you can probably hear it. Listen real close. Some of it's dry already. So I'll blend it in for you if I can. The kids' paint is actually dry. So you're wondering, why am I putting all this stuff on the screen? Okay? Well, like I said, a professional house cleaner by trade. I've seen it all. From chicken wings to hand cream and everything in between. It's that simple. And I came up with a simple solution, Flat Screen Clean. So, here we go. So with our 16 by 16 inch, here it is right here, super blue microfiber towel, simply shake, spray, and wipe, and repeat if necessary. I will get to your questions as soon as I'm done cleaning this screen. I'll gladly answer any questions you actually have. And this is a live demo. This is happening right now. Shake, spray, and wipe, repeat if necessary. So as you know, Flat Screen Clean is your one-stop shop, all-in-one flat and touchscreen cleaning product. It's both alcohol and ammonia free. So that means you no longer have to have multiple cleaners for all your devices, just one. So those of you who have children, I'm sure you have fingerprints all at the bottom of your screen. $20,000 units to date. It's called Real Time, Real Dirt, Real Results. That's what I like. We get to go in and test product when our customers get new TVs, especially like the curved TVs that came out on market. Those of you who have a curved TV, Flat Screen Clean will clean it. Those of you who have any other flat or touchscreen devices, Flat Screen Clean will clean it. We're not a one-dimensional screen cleaner. I'll get more into detail on that. So, a professional house cleaner using another product, I screwed up my customer's TV, streaks all over. And I had to come up with a solution, flat screen clean. Probably get a little once over here, and we should be good to go. And I'll get into what you get and the price. Thank you all for joining. Sorry I have my back to you, but I like to get the job done. I like to do a good job. Okay. And as you can see, it's not clean, it's flat screen clean. So let me read some of your messages you have for me, and then I will get back to talking about, heck, why is everything? It's not out of stock. Amazon's working on that for me. You could just click on the button below and it'll definitely take you to the page. They've been working on that. I don't know what's going on. Would love to buy it, but there's none left. It's left, trust me. All right, I'll get into details. Okay, that was our 8-ounce bottle. Okay, that I just used on that, and our 16 by 16 inch super glue microfiber towel. Now, what you get and the price. Our 8-ounce bottle is $14.95. Free shipping. Not only for Prime members, but for everybody. So that means you don't have to be a Prime member to get flat screen clean in your home to clean all your screens. So what you get is you get the 8-ounce bottle, you get the 16 by 16 inch super glue microfiber towel, you get the insert card, which has all the info on it. Okay, so we're not out of stock. And then you get the bag. This bag is key. Okay, being a professional house cleaner by trade, towels get contaminated very easily. So if you leave the towel lay out like this, it's going to get contaminated with dust, polish. You may even sneeze on it. So you put it in the bag, and now it's protected. Now, if you have, whether you have a $200 TV or a $2,000 TV or a $5,000 TV, Flat Screen Clean will clean it. It cleans to the extreme. We tested our product on those types of TVs. It works on all brands. Every single brand out on the market it works on. So that's one thing. You get this, $14.95 free shipping. Plus, guess what? If you just buy this, you're also probably going to get an additional $1 off. You'll like this deal. But I got a better deal too coming to you. We have a 4-ounce bottle. Now the 4-ounce bottle is $12.95 plus shipping and handling. But you also get the super blue microfiber towel. Also, you get the insert card, and you also get the bag to protect it. Okay. And then we have our travel size bottle, which is a 2-ounce bottle. You get a 12 by 12 medium size super blue microfiber towel. Now this is $8.95 plus shipping and handling. Now, we also have the mini super blue microfiber towel, which is $1.95 plus shipping and handling. Now this is for your glasses. Those of you who wear glasses, you'll see the world differently when you clean your glasses with Flat Screen Clean and the mini super glue microfiber towel. But I tell you what, what's going on right now on our store is if you buy $20 or more, free shipping. So in other words, if you want to buy the 4-ounce bottle, you get the 16 by 16 inch super glue microfiber towel. And then you want to buy the 2-ounce bottle, then you get the medium sized 12 by 12 super glue microfiber towel. And say you want to buy it for your glasses, $1.95. $20 or more, free shipping. Free shipping for everybody. That means you do not have to have Prime in order to get Flat Screen Clean in your home to clean all your screens. It's that simple. We're here to meet your needs and keeping your screens clean. Now, what I said was, we're not a one-dimensional screen cleaner. So, obviously, we use our tablets every day. We use our phones every day. You're watching me right now, whether you're watching me on the computer, desktop. Look at your screens right now. Are they clean? So, what I mean by one-dimensional, Most screen cleaners are out there designed to clean just the screens. We designed ours not only to clean the screen, we designed it to clean the entire unit. See, that was the thing. Being a professional house cleaner, you know, it's amazing. You know, the screens do get dirty because, yeah, they are touch screens, but they get dirty back here too. Some of them get really bad. So, it's that simple. Simply shake, spray, and wipe, repeat if necessary. So our 8-ounce bottle will last you a long time, but there are other uses for it. Now, on our product page, you'll see that I went into people's homes and I tested and I did use Flat Screen Clean on other surfaces. So you can check out our videos there and go from there. Now I'm going to see what other questions I have here, and then I'll go from there. So, Michael, okay, I answered your question. We're not out of stock. And Evan would like to, you can buy it. I tell you what, we ship, the other thing we do is we ship priority mail. So we do all our own fulfillment. So priority mail, United States Postal Service. Sometimes I do use the UPS. It all depends on the times that the sales come in, and it allows me to get them out. So if you like what you see, act now and order yours today, and you will not be disappointed. We're here to meet the needs on cleaning your screens. I'm a professional house cleaner by trade. I came up with Flat Screen Clean. I'm the Regani & Regani LLC. I'm the president, CEO, and founder of this company because I came out with Flat Screen Clean and it cleans to the extreme. And we're going to put out more demos, and I like to put out actually a couple live demos of me going into my customers' homes and being able to show you what real dirt looks like in real time. You'd be surprised what gets on people's screens. So, thank you for your time. Have a great evening, and maybe I'll put out a video tomorrow. It all depends on how many views I get and how much we got going on here. But have a great evening, and thank you for watching.